morning or good afternoon, whenever you watch this. Coach Michael Burt, I'm in downtown Nashville. And I'm thinking about this morning, this concept of how do you become super wealthy? Not just a little bit wealthy, but super wealthy. So that you can provide for people, your family, whatever you want to do in the world. And it all comes back to something I talk about in the book, Single Digit Millionaire. It comes back to finding a primary skill. And then using that skill to build demand for that skill. And once you have demand for that skill, you now have a network of people. Once you have a network of people, the new people introduce you to other new people. We call those associations. So the primary skill is some hard skill that you have that is used to solve a problem for another person. At first it starts small, right? You help one person and two people and three people, and then you're helping 50 people, and then you're helping 100 people. But this is the mistake many people make. Once they get to the 50, 75, 100, 300 people, they then do not allow those people to exchange with each other. And I call that a structure of exchange. Exchange what you say, energy, ideas, money, look at these birds, ambition, dreams, joint ventures, exchange anything. And this is where the word wealth comes in, because now you're introduced to new people, new associations, new concepts, new ideas, new possibility. And none of this is initiated, folks, unless you find your primary hard skill. None of it. Because you're operating with a general skill. Money doesn't buy you freedom. Skills buys you freedom. The stronger your skill, the more money you're going to command for that skill. So, when you're out there in the world and you're thinking, how do I really build super wealth? It also, in my opinion, and I don't know because I'm trying to build it myself, it all begins with finding a primary skill, building demand for that skill, creating networks around that skill, then figuring out how you can leverage and scale that skill to thousands of people or super rich people. I write about a formula in Single Digit Millionaire to get you to a single digit millionaire status. Now, I didn't say double digit millionaire, I said single digit, because you can't get to double digits until you get to single digits, folks. And that is the truth. So if you've got an aspiration to grow, build, find your level 10 opportunity, it's never going to happen, in my opinion, if you don't first find this core primary skill that can solve a problem for another person. And the next thing you know, you're solving it for 50 people. The next thing you know, like, how do I help 5,000 people or 5 million people with this skill? Then you got this environment, then you got these people, then you got this structure. Then you create structures of exchange for these people to feed each other from the structure that you created. The value of any network is exponentially grown by each individual participant that is added to the network. Now let me say that again. The value of any network is exponentially grown by each individual participant that is added to the network. So the value of my monster producer network drastically goes up, drastically is enhanced by each individual participant that is added to the network, which is why I want to get the network to 1,000, 5,000, 10,000. The pure structure of exchange, when you get to that number. The new associations. You don't need more money, you need more people. People are not going to be coming to you if you never have a primary skill that can solve a problem for them. See, as I get older, I'm codifying this. I'm turning this into a science. Money changes hands when problems are solved. Problems are solved by a primary skill that you have, product or service that you create. The more people's problems you're solving, folks, the more people in the network, this is the mistake you're going to make. You don't let those people exchange with each other. And that is the problem. Because what you're trying to do is drive up the value of the network. 505 is down here, this beautiful building that I have a condo at. They should be creating events every month for us to exchange with each other. Because new people are coming into the city building new condos. They want us to exchange with each other, so the value of living there drastically goes up. They solve a problem, but they could be solving it at a higher level. So, I'm Coach Michael Burt. I believe everybody needs a coach in life. If you're interested in getting to the next level, baby, this is it. Everybody needs a good coach in life.